Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, listen to a simple New Year story. Listen slowly and try to feel the words. New Year is coming and life feels a little different. We are busy with work and daily routines. Still, there is excitement in our hearts. In the evening, we sit together at home. Tea is on the table and phones are kept aside. We start talking about the new year. We do not plan anything big or expensive. We just want to be together. That is enough for us. My mother talks about cooking special food. My father suggests playing soft music. Everyone listens and smiles. I call my friends in the evening. We talk about the New Year plan. They agree to come home. Friends come with simple gifts and smiles. We sit on the floor and talk freely. There is a lot of gupshup. We eat snacks and drink tea together. Someone tells old stories. We laugh again and again. Some of us take photos on the phone. Others play simple games. Time passes very fast. For a moment, everything feels calm. We sit quietly and think about life. The year has taught us many lessons. The clock moves closer to midnight. We start counting together slowly. The room fills with excitement. The clock strikes 12 at night. We clap and wish each other. Happy New Year fills the room. We talk about our hopes and goals. I want to speak English confidently. Others want peace and good health. We know life will not be perfect. Problems will come again, but we will face them together. This new year feels simple and warm. No big party, no loud noise. Just love, family, and togetherness. This is our New Year story. Simple, real, and full of hope. If you like this story, listen again and repeat slowly. Keep practicing English every day. Happy New Year to everyone.